Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Today's a brand new day. I hope you guys have a big old smile on your face. I'm going to head out and try to get some really cool shots for you guys today. I don't really know what I'm going to vlog today, but I've told myself last night that I'm going to try to vlog every single day. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to be uploading a vlog every single day. Eventually I do want to get to that, but I don't do enough cool stuff to make it interesting for you guys to watch. Look at. She hasn't been in a video for a long, long time, huh? Mwah. No. Hey. No. My little brother just got a really cool car. What'd you get?
At the flea market.
What kind of car is it?
It's a red one. And
Dad, a Shelby?
Yep.
Do some tricks with it. Let's see the tricks.
I'll show you in the kitchen something cool. Oh, look at it!
Donuts. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're going to make a dirt ramp so we can ramp off of this jump and land in the dirt pile.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see if this works.
So, you gotta be kind of not rough at doing this, or you're just gonna tip over and die. You dead. Bloom, boom. What did I say? Bloom, boom.
I have no idea.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby, boom.
And then and then it's Case's turn, my big brother.
So where are we going?
Up there.